şehvetin var. Yürekler aşkınla çarpar. Sensiz dünya bizlere dar. Selam sana ey kutlu yar. With submission, faith and patience, you conveyed the noble message, brought us light through your guidance. Peace be upon you, my beloved. Ya Habibi, Ya Muhammad, Ya Nabi, salam alayka. Ya Rasul, salam alayka. Ya Habib, salam alayka. Salawatullah alayka. Ya Nabi, salam alayka. Ya Rasul, salam alayka. Ya Habib, salam alayka. Salawatullah alayka. मोहब्बत की महक से ये ज़मीन व आसमां आबाद है। रहमत की बरसात आती है दिलो जां या रसूल अल्लाह। अय्युहल मुख्तार फीना ज़ादना الحب حنينا जितना بالخير دينا يا ختام المرسلين.
Ketika kau tak sanggup melangkah, hilang arah dalam kesendirian, tiada mentari bagai malam yang kelam, tiada tempat untuk berlabuh, bertahan, terus berharap. Allah selalu di sisimu, insyaallah, insyaallah, insyaallah ada jalan, insyaallah, insyaallah, insyaallah ada jalan.
Every time you commit one more mistake, you feel you can't prevent and that it's way too late. You're so confused, wrong decisions you have made haunt your mind and your heart is full of shame. But don't despair and never lose hope, 'cause Allah is always by your side. Insha'Allah, Insha'Allah, Insha'Allah you'll find your way.
Insyaallah, insyaallah, insyaallah ada jalan.
Turn to Allah, He's never far away. Put your trust in Him, raise your hands and pray.
Ya Allah, tuntun langkahku di jalanmu, hanya Engkaulah pelita
this special day. Our hearts are full of pleasure, the day that brings the two of you close together. We're gathered here to celebrate a moment you'll always treasure. We ask Allah to make your love last forever. Let's raise our hands and make dua like the Prophet taught us, and with one voice let's all say, say, say.